We are live. I think so. Can you hear me, Ankit? You are on mute, by the way. Yeah.
Back to our pod meetings, yes.
Yes. No, at least you have your camera on, so not exactly our pod meetings.
I was always on the camera. Here
No,
I am being blamed.
always is a bit of a stretch, but yeah, most of the times you
90,
had your camera on.
90%, yes.
So yeah, so kind of. Okay. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me today. I am super unprepared, more unprepared than I was yesterday, if that's possible. Uh, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. We will just wait for a few moments while everyone else joins, and then we will continue from where we left today. But yeah, everyone had a request for you. They wanted to see the source code of Not Rusty and Rusty, and I don't have that. You have not uploaded that, so
Mm.
if you can get me that, I can
So
show
fun thing
them the
is
source
that
code.
I have the source code for only one of the challenges because what I
Because
did
you,
was to yeah, I did it in the same library. So I
who
only
does
have
that? Who does that?
so that's why I was verifying it again to check that it
Uh-huh.
works 100% of the time, and only then I shipped it out like a true production engineer that I am. So yeah,
Which one? So I assume since you made Rusty first and not Rusty later on, you have the source code for not Rusty.
yes, I have the source code for not trust. Yeah,
That's
yeah. Let
great.
me
At
just
least we
look for
have
that.
we have something. So
Uh,
that's nice. I think you did upload. No, you did not upload the source code for any of them. Okay, okay,
okay, let me
that's
see what I have.
fine.
I think
But I remember seeing the source code of Rusty. Did you send it to me on Discord?
yeah, I sent you on Discord.
Yeah, okay. Then we have source code of both of them, right?
Okay, so I'm sending you the other one. I don't know how
Okay.
you want to show it, but I sent it to you.
Oh, you just sent it to me on Discord, of course.
Yes, of
Uh,
course.
and that too directly text. You could have at least sent me
What?
a file.
Oh, I could send you the file. Can I?
Yeah, please send me the file. Okay, actually,
Okay.
never mind. I just copied it from there and pasted it. And
Yes. See, I
yeah,
knew I could trust you for this, Karan. Yes. See.
yeah. Now let me save it into the. This is of not rusty, right?
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is of
So
not trusty.
I'm just gonna and okay. I don't even know what is the extension for Rust file. Is it just dot
Dot
Rust?
.rs. It's
Oh,
dot
dot .rs.
.rs.
Oh, right. It is dot .rs. Right. Yeah, I have worked on one of the challenges. Why do I not know this? Oh,
You
wow.
are
So
not
there are
Rustacean.
just random functions. Okay, this code is amazing. Yeah, let me just share my screen so everyone can see what I am talking about because, yeah, without that, it's not possible. Ah, I'm still not used to like doing live streams. Not at all. I will never get used to it.
For me, it's the fact that I have one screen, which makes doing live streams insane.
Yes,
So
I
yeah,
agree with you. I agree with you. I mean, it's not possible. It's just very very hard. But I know that you
it's
have done
not
live streams before for Mexili. So great job, man. I don't know how you have
bad.
done that
Don't ask questions. It's yeah, it's like
because
free pain.
even in OBS, if you want to create custom thing and custom layouts, you need another screen, right? Because OBS displays the edited thing on one screen and then records that screen and sends it. So like, yeah,
See,
it's
I
really
have tried OBS and it might work. Like it has worked from before, but with 8 GB of RAM and an ultrabook, it's like yeah, it just doesn't work out. Okay, like
I
it's
remember I used to use OBS for our pod meetings just to
yeah,
display
yeah,
that
yeah.
text in the bottom. That never worked, which never worked, but I tried that. Okay, I assume. Okay, no, I have not added it to the stream. Okay, now I have. So everyone should be able to see my screen. Perfect. Hey, so I see few people are joining from YouTube and few are from Twitch. So I don't know, but some things only work on Twitch. So anyone on YouTube, you might want to switch to Twitch. But yeah, And just for introduction, anyone join who had not joined yesterday, we are doing CTF walkthrough for the batch two, the CTF that we had conducted in batch two. So if you are not in fellowship, you might not know the challenges, but that's totally fine because we are solving all the challenges from scratch. So you might be, if you are interested in CTF or in security, you can just hang around and see what we are doing. Most of the time, it will be just us trying to figure out source code of stuff.
Most of
In
the time, it'll just be me roasting current. So
Yeah, maybe even that
do
today.
join. Yeah.
I Please don't make me regret bringing you here today. Please don't do that. But yeah, okay. So this is the source code. Ankit, would you like to walk us through it?
Yeah, sure. So like it's like a basic program to check your input, along with a lot of things thrown in to kind of throw you off the track. So just to clarify, like 95% of the code here is like red herring. Properly is the function 21, right?
Yeah.
And the reason they're all named like that is because so when they're byte encoded later, and you might decode those bytes, you don't get any
Hmm.
useful data out of them. So that's why they are these random names.
That's so
So now
evil.
going,
That's pure evil.
that's how you're supposed to do reversing. It's not. It's supposed to be uh, like a red herring thing.
Whatever, whatever. Okay,
I'll tell you.
so the okay. Were you there yesterday when I was trying to solve not rusty?
No, I was not. I was not. I
Okay,
was
so
gone.
if I wanted to solve this using G Hydra or any of the debugger, is it easy to do it? If you have you tried it?
I have I have looked at it in G Hydra, or is it Hydra? I don't know.
Gaidra,
But
what? I same. I have no idea.
yeah. So yeah, it's possible. Like it's just a bit brute forcing, but it's not that difficult.
Okay, how is it brute forcing in G Hydra, Gaidra, whatever it is?
You extract the strings from Hydra. They're probably separate. They should be separated into two different byte sections, I think. The first
Okay.
section has nothing important. The second section has most of these flags, right? And then you
Yeah,
just have to
I
try the
found all
flags
the
one by one.
flags. Yeah, so
Okay.
that you can do just using strings. That is what everyone did.
Yeah. And
But
then
I
just
was asking, just can you find this function in GID, or like can you find this mapping in any debugger easily? Because I am
no,
interested
you
in
cannot.
finding this mapping.
Yeah, it's not. Like by the time you make it into the production build, like all of the useful data just goes away. So yeah,
Oh,
there is
okay.
no.
Because I was able to
Uh,
do that for your another one, the Rusty one. I was able to do it without running it, but not this one.
okay, okay.
So yeah.
So yeah. I mean, there is. I mean, it's just how the compiler optimizes the build. I think there is no other
Amazing.
logic to it. There is one more important factor that like I was thinking like should I do another challenge which could make Rusty a lot harder. So like basically there are these certain sections of the like basically every file has a header, right, of the
Right.
executable, and so basically sometimes you can insert things in there,
Right.
and it will basically never be detected or used ever. So I was
Right.
thinking of going being that evil, but I was
Oh
like,
yeah. I mean, Gabriel has done that. Gabriel has done that in Be Careful too.
oh, nice. So I was actually thinking of doing that for Rusty.
Yeah, I saw the source code of Be Careful and Be Careful too, and I mean, I'm like, okay, this function is never called, and what's happening here? So I mean, I'm like, okay, yeah, it's a good idea. So yeah, I was referring to this. There's this amazing, and people are gonna roast me or get bored by this, but I want to clear this out once.
Okay, sure.
So
Clear it out, Karan.
yeah. So do you see this amazing ladder here?
Yeah.
I am assuming these are some kind of if else check, right? So do you think this if else check is of this part?
Um, Possible. Yes, I think it's actually possible.
Because there are
Like,
15 of them, and I think I counted this yesterday. I don't remember, but I think these are also exactly 15.
yeah. I mean, I don't see why it would not be possible. I think it's possible. Yeah.
But then all of them are in a single line. Shouldn't they go to a different function? I don't know. I want to try this
I
challenge later on, just by looking at this graph and finding the answer from this graph.
Actually, like matches in Rust, they work on the same principle as of a switch, right? I mean, not exactly of a switch because like there is
Hmm.
no fall through, but it's
Okay, explain me this. Sorry to interrupt, but explain me this. I can see function 1 and function 2, both of them here. Okay,
yeah.
but I don't see function 21. How is that even possible?
Mm,
Because I see both the other functions.
not sure. Maybe not fully decompiled. That could be a reason. Like,
I doubt it. I don't know. I have no idea. But okay, let's actually move on and solve challenges.
there is this thing called Rust Deck, which is like a Rust dedicated decompiler. I have
Oh,
not tried
okay.
that, so maybe you're into that. That could help. I think it was made by the Avast people, like the antivirus people. I don't know why.
Hmm, nice. I mean, they have to decompile many things, right? So maybe for their own
Yeah,
purpose.
they have
I
to
mean, that's the
decompile your software
most.
current. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I think we should do that. We should just get a satellite, launch a satellite just to send videos to you. That would be amazing. Would you like to sponsor us so that we can launch a satellite?
Uh,
I don't know if I
maybe.
talked about this in our pod meeting ever. That I actually want to do that. Not a satellite, but I want to launch a weather balloon that goes to edge of space. I don't know if you have seen the video by Tom Scott. He does that, and I want to do that. It's not that expensive. It is
Yeah,
expensive,
I
of
was just gonna
course,
say that. Yeah. So yeah,
but it is
just
not
do that.
that expensive. So if you want to sponsor me, you can go to Ankit. Let's just create a Patreon page and like let's send everyone to that Patreon page.
Sure. Yes. Anything
Yeah,
for free money.
exactly right.
Like we'll just
So
send them Tom Scott's video at the end and keep the money. That's what we'll do.
no, I am not doing that. I want to actually do this. Yeah, and then we can also use the satellite or the weather balloon to find Andreas, right? We
To
are trying to
surveil
find him.
people. Yes, that's what you mean, Karan.
No, I was just trying to find Andreas. That's what you do, Ankit, not me. I don't do that. We don't
That
do
was a
that.
challenge that you gave us. So in that way, we were only doing the task that
Oh,
was
we are
assigned
not
to us by
talking.
our
We
pod
are not
leader.
talking about that challenge on a live stream. Come on. Okay. Till where did we solve yesterday? I remember solving Aliens 4, but it was out of order. Did we solve Be Careful too? No, we did not. Can anyone? Okay, we did solve bunch of steps, I think. Okay, I can actually see what all I have solved, right?
Yeah, Team Pro League.
Oh, no, not that one. I'm using the admin account.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So which
Have
is you're
I?
using the admin team that I made.
Oh, you made that? Okay, whatever. I don't know.
Yes.
I mean, I made the whole platform. Okay, I hosted the
I'm
all
sorry. I'm
platform.
sorry,
The
Karan.
whole.
Yes. I'm deeply
Okay.
indebted to you for your support and help for this MLH CTF session.
Wow. Okay. Are you trying to like boot me out of here or something?
I'm not. I'm appreciating your effort. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. 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 Yeah, we have solved not rusty. So next is bunch of steps. Okay. I have no idea what bunch of steps is. Have you tried it, Yankit?
No, me neither.
Okay. So
Let's
bunch of
see.
steps was created by. Oh, it's an online challenge. Oh, Microsoft founder. But there's one. Okay. Okay. Let's do it. So
I've
this one was
noticed that.
created by Gabe.
Nice. Let's try that.
Yeah. What were you saying?
Oh, I was saying that I've noticed that this time all of the challenges had kind of a similar pattern in the forming of the statement, right? Like, I don't
Oh,
know.
because
Why don't you help us out?
till last time I never wrote any of the descriptions. Most of the time I got my friends to write it for me, or Gabe had most of the challenges. But this time I was writing my own statements, and I was just taking inspiration from Gabe's statements. So like, yeah, because of that, it was
Same.
similar.
Exactly. That's what I did
Nothing
also.
else. Yeah, see, I mean that's what you do. Gabe has been doing this for now 3 batches. Okay, it sends something. Let's just put it in a file.
Looks like basic
Named
support.
file, because I should not name a file. or
Why
should
couldn't you
I?
just copy paste it though?
That is a.
Oh,
I mean, why to copy paste when you can do this?
yes, why keep it on in the memory when you
Yeah,
can keep it
let's do
physically
file
saved in
and
a hard
confuse
drive?
everyone. Yeah, of course, I have not given it a format. What am I even thinking? Okay, let's do nano. What do you think this is? This looks to
Base
me like
64.
base 64. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ah, I want to exit it. Yeah. Does this work? This works, right? Okay, it gives you something. File.
So it's not base 64. Is it a different base? Is it related to one of those base 59 stuff? I hope not.
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's see. I mean, this looks like something.
What was that Python library that automatically
Which
detected the hash?
right there was a
Uh,
library. I was trying to. Okay. Okay. One sec. It says network here.
so
Do you
is
think
so, but is the
this
data not
could be?
related?
No, I mean, it is in MISC and it is in network. So either this network can refer to something like I don't know that thing. What is it? Wireshark, or then it is like phew, what is that software? Burpsuit, a Burpsuit file or something. But
Oh, okay.
I don't think because I know Burpsuit Community Edition does not allow you to export the raw file, and I am assuming that Gabriel does not have a premium version of Burpsuit. I'm just gonna try opening both the files in Wireshark.
It looks very
Okay.
much like an authentication token. Like you see the pattern of A's. Like I
Okay.
don't know.
Yeah. Right. Right. And Wireshark just says that it is not. Yeah. Let me just bring it to the screen. So the file isn't a capture file in format Wireshark understands. So yeah, definitely,
Interesting.
or more or less not a. I'm just gonna try and open the file decode one. Oh, that opened. Oh, okay, 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 okay. It was actually base 64 then. So it was base 64, but then this thing opens in Wireshark. So
See,
yeah, that kind
told
of
you,
worked.
told you.
I don't know. Let me just zoom so everyone can see properly. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna do Control F and search MLH. Okay, that does not work, of course. Let's just follow a package. There's something known as follow. I have not used this for like so long. Yeah. Follow
Yeah,
TCP
same. The
string.
last time I used it was in our challenge.
Oh, there was a challenge related to this?
Yeah, in the last CTF. What?
Seriously? Who made it? I did not.
I don't
Did
know
I?
who made it, but the challenge
What was the
suggested
challenge?
Wireshark. So obviously everyone used Wireshark. It was packet interception. It was like communication between I forgot who was it. It was someone in MLH Ops and then Swift, and it was like a simulated conversation between them.
I
But it
have
was like,
no idea that this challenge even exists. I need to go back and check this
oh
challenge
my
because I have
god.
not made it. So it might be Gabriel, of course. So this is SSH. We have some SSH and some TCP packets. So I'm just gonna follow each and every one of them. But this is all gibberish. Like, why is it? It's a TCP packet, right? It's a
Yeah.
Raspberry Pi. Okay, it says it is a
Yeah,
Raspberry Pi.
yeah.
Then I see something in different color here, which is again it's a TCP retransmission of some sort. Okay, weird.
Nothing that stands out yet.
Exactly. I mean, this is of different color. This does stand out. Um, I don't know. This nothing is making sense. Is there something in a header? I mean, I know you can hide stuff in headers. This flag is not that
Possible.
flag, I assume. Yeah, it's not, of course. That's the thing about
Hmm.
the word flags. Like, you have it in everything, in every network or any
It
protocol,
might be
right?
split across packets, like because that is, I think, how it was last time. Like it
Okay.
inherently breaks down. Like if you search for MLH, it won't show you
Yeah, so that
MLH.
so that is what I'm doing, right? I'm right clicking on it and doing it follow TCP stream. So then it should show me everything.
Hmm, interesting.
Uh,
So is it like hidden in one of those? Like, is it kind of like a needle in the haystack kind of a challenge?
I don't know. The file is too small for doing that.
It does have a lot of uh, ACKs.
No, all of them are like TCP, follow TCP only. Like there is no UDP or anything. Ah, okay. Let's actually look at this for a second then. Maybe UTF-8. Nope, of course not. Raw. Does this make sense by any chance?
And I think it makes less sense.
I don't know. It makes more sense. What if the data itself that it is sending is in base 64? Is this base 64 by any chance?
It's not. It's the SHA-256.
Yeah, it looks like that. It's what? So I converted it into YAML, and then there are
Okay, I
these
think
different
I don't think it's
packets.
a direct. Yeah, it's not a direct.
Yeah, and
Uh,
then everything is like,
yes,
what
I
is
think
this?
that Wireshark is converting. Like it's like a proxied conversion. It's not a direct conversion. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Okay, I didn't know this YAML thing exists until today, so that is also another
I
thing.
had no idea. I mean, I was just exploring different options there. Uh, but yeah, what do you think now I should even do?
I'm just saying something should stand out. Like maybe there's some kind of a global search in Wireshark. I don't know. Maybe try searching for like brackets. Call Gabriel. Yes, that's a good plan. We can call Gabriel. Yes,
But the problem with that is he might be sleeping at this point.
true, true, true. Oh, I see. We haven't solved Robston. That's the easy one.
Oh yeah, that I mean, I was just going in the form of like most solves to least solves,
Okay, okay,
and this has more solves. So I was assuming we should be able to solve this one.
okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm.
Okay, what do you think this is? One of them, like this one single thing.
No idea. But the string looks like base 64.
It does look like base 64, right?
Yeah.
Because the ending, if you see here, we have this big thing and then something.
Hmm.
So what if we take this raw thing, convert this into base 64, and then we convert that into,
Convert that into normal text ASCII.
yeah, will that work? So I'm just going through different streams to
Okay. So the
find
problem.
anything.
Okay, so if you convert this to base 64 and then you convert it back to ASCII, won't you just get this?
Yeah, that's no, but we are decoding base 64, right? Here it is not
Oh, I thought
decoding
you
base
meant
64. It is.
encoding. Okay.
Oh no!
Um,
Okay, one sec. I just found the flag. I was just randomly.
See, I
I
told you
was
it was
I
needle
was
in the
just going
haystack.
randomly through different
I
streams,
told you it was needle
and
in the haystack.
wow. Okay. Yeah. Then I just found
Always
it.
right. Uh,
Okay.
in
Okay.
case
That.
in case people are wondering how CTFs are solved, this is how CTFs
Yeah.
are
Hello.
solved.
Here is the flag. Yeah. It was just in the fourth stream. I
Yes.
am getting some
See,
notification, or is it you? Is it me or is it you? I'm getting some Discord notifications.
I don't think it's me. Yeah, it's not me. It's not
I
me
have
either because I'm always on TND. So.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go on D&D. Yeah. Okay. Cool. 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 Yeah. So here's the flag. If anyone's wondering what we did, we downloaded. We got the original file from the Netcat server. We decoded into base 64. We decoded the base 64 format to something gibberish. We opened that into Wireshark. It luckily opened, not the normal file, the decoded file. And then I was just, yeah, for like, we tried different things, and at some point I was just going through all the streams. There are many streams, and yeah, you just get it. So even if I had clicked on the right stream here, I was again and again clicking on the stream too.
Wrong
If I had,
ones, yes.
yeah, so if I had clicked on the right stream and clicked follow that, it would have worked. But well, uh whatever works.
See, I mean, it was gonna be needle in the haystack. I'm just
Yeah,
saying, like,
exactly.
because if it's not a string search, it's very hard to hide information. So if it's not
Yes,
strings, it is one of these annoying things
yes,
that Gabe
yes.
did.
Okay,
Uh,
cool. So yeah, that's solved. Which is the next one? CTF block 2. Yay, Ankit was not able to solve this. I
yeah,
gave it to
I
him for
gave
two
up after,
days.
like, yeah. No, for sure, I gave it a 30 minutes, so not 2 days.
Whatever. You were like, you need to add more breadcrumbs. But no, this is so nice. This is so nice. So yeah, would you like to try it on live stream now? Or should I try it?
I'm not sharing my screen. What I can do is I can suggest ideas
Okay, suggest
because,
ideas because I already know the solution because I made this. But yeah, if anyone
right.
has anything that we should try or anything.
Okay, so for
Oh yeah, the
me,
problem did say bunch of steps. So well,
yeah. Okay, first thing I
uh,
do is to check the source code, I guess, of the home
okay.
page. Then I'd go to the each of the blocks specifically.
So yeah, we did that in the first one. So the first one had it here. Let me just log out. I don't know why I'm logged into every website. I have not kept a timeout on these sessions, I think. But yeah, so we have this. The thing is, we have like only 1.5 hour left and many challenges to solve. So last time what
Yeah,
we did
true.
was we went into the read more and just got the flag there because it was just hidden there after logging in. I'm just gonna try and log in if it works. I don't know what even the pass. Oh, okay, it works. Well, so yeah, last time we did that. So Ankit, what is the other thing you would check if it is not in the source code? I'm telling you, it's not in the source code for this challenge.
Um, robots.txt, like the
Let's
like the
check
hidden stuff.
robots.txt. Yeah.
So that's robots.txt. There is,
Okay. It's not there.
it's not there.
No.
What else? This is a PHP server, or what is it?
No. It is Nginx fast API server. Flask or fast API. I
Nginx
don't even
Fast
remember.
API.
Yeah.
So maybe a fast API, like the production mode disabled. So in that case, you'd be able to go to docs or something.
Oh, I have no. Okay, it does not work.
Okay, you have it disabled. Okay,
Let's actually see. Is it
interesting.
is it a fast API server or a Flask server? Let's see
Yeah,
that.
you made the challenge.
Yeah. Okay. I made the challenge 3 weeks back, so I don't remember. What are you gonna do about that?
Okay, let's see.
Where is it? Where is it? It's a Flask. It's a Flask server using.
It's a
I've used
Flask
blueprints
server.
as well. Amazing. I am amazing. Yeah. Go on.
Okay, so I would try SSTI. Yeah, that's what I would do. So what I do is to just randomly try to see if templating gives me a response from the server. So something like double brackets 2 is to
But where
2
should I
double
enter
brackets.
that?
And then the URL, right?
Okay, in the URL. So
Yeah,
what
like a
double bracket?
slash double brackets 2 exponent 2.
Okay. So I'm just gonna try 2 plus 2 instead. Nope.
Yeah, sure.
Nothing.
So okay. Damn. I'm
Think
out of.
easy. It's a easy challenge. You don't have to think this much. It's a very easy challenge.
The point is, I have solved SSTI mostly with Flask, so
Yeah,
every
I know
time.
you. So that's the reason you're thinking about SSTI and all the complicated SQLi stuff, right? But
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if I am creating a challenge, I am not giving you access via SSTI or SQLi, because it's just too dangerous. You might just ruin my whole server. So I don't do that. At least not till I
Uh,
have confidence in myself to do that. And currently I don't. So yeah, it's easy thing. Oh, by
Tell
the
in
way,
the
you can see
hint
my
the
name here.
starting statement. Okay, let me just check the starting statement. What is the challenge called? CTF block 2, right?
Yeah. All right. I should have. Okay. Okay. I made the blocks free, but I have hidden something just for me. It's like a poem. Oh, I can write poems. Whatever.
Okay, so something related to medium, premium, I guess. Like
Oh
something
yeah.
along those lines.
I mean, yeah. The first one was medium premium one, right? And the thing is, I have already discussed all these challenges with you even before making the challenges, and you still don't remember what the second challenge was.
Yes, because it was 3 weeks ago. What are you going to do
Yeah.
about it, Karan?
Nothing. I just okay, whatever. Since we don't have time, I'm just gonna solve this one. So the next thing that you check in any website is, and not just for CTFs, I usually check this for every website I go to. I check what are they doing with my local storage and what are they doing with my cookies. So I usually go to local storage, I go to cookies and just check it, because yeah, cookies are freaking weird. So if you see in cookies, we have admin, we have email, user, and session. Session looks like a session cookie, which is what's that? What's this format? I've seen this format.
Okay,
EJY.
I don't have anything in my cookies. What?
Oh, it only comes after logging in.
Ah, okay, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Should have
So
said that.
yeah. Okay. Do you remember what this is? Because I think this is the salted part and EJY is something. Is this
Wait, let me
JWT
just.
tokens or something?
Yeah, I have to expand the screen. Yeah,
Oh,
could
okay.
be JWT. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so maybe you can try decoding this string. I know, yeah, many teams did that. They decoded this whole thing, but they were only missing on the secret, which is not there. I can actually, okay, I should not show the secret, right? Yeah, I should not. Yeah, but once you find the cookie and once you notice here that admin is false, you should just change that to true and just try it. Save it. Okay, by the way, this extension that I am using is known as Cookie Manager. Yeah, Cookie Manager. And then just refresh it. And then yeah, if you go to profile, it just says welcome admin. That's it. It was that easy. You don't need any tools. You don't need to brute force my server using nmap or using those crawlers, because I had seen more than 20,000 requests using such automated tools. Everything from burp suite to nmap to some random Python GitHub library or something. Yes, I saw that all in the logs,
I
and it
did
was
that the
amazing
last
to
time.
see that.
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, the
Yeah.
point is you have to dot all your I's and cross all your T's. So that's why you got to do it.
Yeah, sure. No,
Like, never
fine.
trust the CTF maker, especially if it's current, right? Like, that's the only lesson to take away.
I do agree with that. I do agree with that, and that is why I did not block any of those calls. But yeah, another great tool while solving any of the web challenges is Vapalizer. Because when I said, Ankit, that it uses Nginx, I just said it because Vapalizer shows me that. Just install Vapalizer even if you are not doing CTFs. They are great for web development as well. If you want to copy anything from anywhere, you can just see which version of Nginx I am using, which version of Bootstrap, jQuery, Popper apparently I'm using. So yeah, it's just great because you can see all of this in Vapalizer itself. So yeah, there's that. Now let's go. Oh, I did not copy. Oh, okay, of course I did not copy this. So don't trust cookies.
This
So
was
the great, yeah,
interesting. This is actually a common format. We had one like this last time, right? But
yeah,
that was
we did.
better. But that was better, in my opinion,
Oh, how?
because it was more annoying. Like,
So
this
oh, the
was.
cookies one. Oh, we had that jump one, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
That
So
was insanely annoying because I had the idea for that challenge, but then I told my friend Rushang to make it for me, and even while coding it, he's like, "This challenge does not make sense." I'm like, "Just make it. I know it does not make sense. Just make it. People should be able to figure out that they have to do binary search." He's like, "No, it does not make sense." I'm like, "Yeah, I know it does not make sense, but just do it, man. Just do it." And even after
I
doing that,
hated
even
it.
after doing going with live with that challenge, everyone was like, this challenge has no logical flow. I am like, Yes, it does not have a logical flow, but when you're doing actual bug bounty or hacking, it is not necessary that everything will have logical flow.
I mean, it is. I think it did, right? Because at one point it overflowed, right? And that is the challenge that you're supposed to know at the point where it overflows.
Thank you, thank you. So that was the whole thing. What?
But I hated
So
it as a CTF
the
challenge. No, no, no. I mean, I did like it. I hated it.
ah
But the
okay,
point
okay.
is
Let's
that,
move on. Let's move
yeah,
on to CTF
if
block
that's
three.
still live, maybe we can have them solve that.
Oh no, it's not live. It's I can get it live
Sad.
because everything is on Docker, so I can get it live. But currently, it's not live. But yeah, I'm gonna solve CTF block 3 first because it is the most favorite challenge I had this time. And
Because you
yeah,
made it.
anyone, yeah, not just because I made it, but also because it is amazing. You will find out why it is amazing.
Yeah, you
And
told me why. So
yeah, anyone who solved this challenge, found it was amazing. Okay. So yeah, turns out cookies are unsafe, so I got rid of them, but I still have something hidden just for me. So the logical flow of anyone who thinks about this, the logical flow for this challenge would be to now decode the. Uh, do I? Okay, I should not log in from this account. Will this work? Okay, okay, it works. The next logical flow for this challenge would be to decode uh, the session cookie, right? And I think Geeta spent a lot of time on trying to decode the session cookie. He tried a bunch of secrets, I think, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, that would be the logical flow. I agree. But the next thing that you should notice is in the first two challenges, if you go ahead and try out CTF block 2, and just try to log in and go to forgot password. There is a link for forgot password, and everyone tried it. Okay, everyone tried it. I know because I was seeing the request. So yeah, it was not found. People even tried to, like, I don't know, change the spelling here and actually try to find the forgot password page on first and second blog. But till the third blog, everyone just gave up on forgot password. Almost no one even clicked forgot password here because they assumed that it will not work, and that was part of the plan. That was part of my plan. Everyone just assumed that, but then it works here. It actually takes you to a reset password page, which you were supposed to try, so okay, let's go there. Let's open up that and try to reset the password. Okay, so it says, and this is amazing. Okay, some websites, even I think Instagram does this till now. It tells you that your email ID does not exist if it does not exist, which is a very 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 bad way, because then I can just try out bunch of email address to see if that email ID exists or not, and I have done that. Yeah,
yeah,
I
we
have
know.
done that. Yeah.
We figured
so
it's.
so yeah, I am saying that if the account exists, you will receive a password reset link. That's good. That's a good programming technique. That's a good practice if you are making any website. So yeah, if you are doing that, please do this and not tell me that my email ID does not exist or my phone number is wrong, whatever it is. Just do this. So then I open up my email ID, which is a very bad idea to do on a live stream, but let's do it. uh where is it? Yeah, it's here. Open. Everyone will read my emails. Open. Yeah,
I
thank
am.
you.
I'm concentrating on the emails right now.
I know that.
Uh,
I know that.
could you click
Yeah.
on back once?
No, I cannot. I won't. So yeah, then we click on this, and it takes us to the reset password page. And yeah, let's just set the password to 12345 12345. I did not have time to set anything else. So yeah, it says new password set successfully. Login now. So the whole thing works, or does it? Let's actually try it. Yeah, so you can reset your password. That means it works. Wow, I think you really did amazing. Whatever. But yeah, you can do that. So there's something new. There's some new functionality here which was not there in first and second blogs. So you can either open Burp Suite, or I am more of fan of using just Firefox, because all the functions of Burp Suite are almost available here, or at least the ones that I usually use. So let's just reset the password again and see what happens in the network tab. So okay, it sends a reset request. Let's look at that. It's a 302, that which is weird. No, actually, 302 means redirect, right? Yeah, okay. Redirect is normal because we are being redirected to the login page. So in that, we sent email ID request. So what if I can so here I will think that what if I can send a request for someone else to reset the password, but then the mail will go to them. That's kind of sad. Do we get the link in response? Okay, we don't get anything here
Don't,
in
yeah.
response and nothing new here. No, I have even seen that some websites do that. Some websites just send you the link that you are supposed to click on in your email in the response of your original request, which is
Yeah,
like
that is, yeah.
which is amazing, right? That's just legend level amazing. So yeah, sometimes I have seen uh, the OTP that they are supposed to send on phone. They will send that in the response, but they will encrypt it. They will encrypt it, but the front end will decrypt it. So the front end has the decryption code. Even though the server is sending it encrypted, the front end has the decryption code, so I can decrypt it. I can just add a console.log and decrypt it.
I'm
So
just saying,
yeah,
like, I'm pretty sure that front end developers till this day keep secrets in the production builds of the front end.
yes,
So yeah, I mean, this is like level one compared to that, right?
yeah, yeah. So, Deepansh, to answer your question, you can create an account right now, although we are not officially allowing anyone to solve it right now. But you can go to ctf.mlh-fellowship.space and create an account and solve the CTFs if you want to. Uh, I think it should allow you to solve, although your scores won't be visible on scoreboard because the CTF is officially closed off. But yeah, if you want to solve the challenges, please go ahead and solve them. So yeah, let's continue. Now, let's see what happens if I try to click on the reset link again and open the network tab here and set the password. Okay, so it sends that set password and sends us again back to the login page. Let's see this
Right,
request.
right. This was basically the entire exploit.
Yeah, this was basically the entire exploit. Okay, so we have, if you see, we have different token every time, so there's no possibility of guessing the token, and this is like UUID 4 token, so it repeats like once in a million years or something. So yeah, but we can see the password here, password and the confirm password both, so we can do that. And the best part is we can see the email here, which is amazing. So let's just try doing that. Let's try edit and resend and change the email ID to something else. So usually when you try this, you would create two accounts, a attacker account and a what's the other thing? Victim account. Attacker and a victim account. So currently, my email ID was the attacker one, but if I want to spoof the victim account, I would just try that email ID. But now, since we know we want to go try the admin account, because yeah, we know that. Let's just assume we know that. If not, you can just see here we have included the admin email ID. So yeah, we will just go and try that out. Okay, why cannot I type? Yeah, okay. Admin, admin. Okay, I don't know the spelling of admin. Amazing.
Apparently.
CTF. Yeah, apparently. Dot tech. So yeah, best part about Firefox is you can edit it right here and it will calculate the content length and everything, so you don't have to worry about that. So now I am setting the admin at ctfblog.tech password to 12345, which I will change later on, or else the you know what, I'm just gonna change it right now. I'm just gonna type a bunch of gibberish, copy that, paste it here. Okay, so yeah, let's try and send this. Does that work? Did that work? It sent us here on the login
Looks like it
page.
worked. It's 302, so looks like it worked.
Yeah, I'm not sure because I'm actually not sure. Oh, okay. I have it in copied one. That's good. Okay, it worked. Perfect. So yeah, that's it. You just spoof that. how do we get that edit and resend feature? It's already there in all Firefox installs. You don't get it in Chrome, but you get it in Firefox. And that is why I don't use Verb Suite most of the time when I don't have to, unless I am doing anything related to phone, like app. What's it called? What's the word,
I don't
Ankit?
know. A word for?
Like researching apps, like trying to decompile apps and stuff.
I mean, I'm pretty sure it's called
Reverse
decompile.
engineering. Yeah, reverse engineering mobile apps.
Oh my god. I mean, you could just say reversing. I mean, it's fine.
I did not even remember the word reversing at that point. But yeah, you can do
Uh,
everything. Like you can do performance analysis, which you can also do on Chrome. But I don't know. I just love Firefox whenever I am doing reversing related stuff. But whenever I'm creating websites, I go to Chrome just because I have like hundreds of different extensions. If you
extensions.
can see here, like yeah, I have like so many different extensions for everything. So I, and also while giving exams, I use Firefox, Chrome, because Absolute allows you to right click. So yeah, that's a tip for anyone whose exams are about to begin.
A lot of people won't get that, but yes.
Yeah. So yeah, this is MLH account takeover, and to give some background to this challenge, this is not something that I thought of. This is actually something that I took from Medium blogs. There are a bunch of blogs available, and these exploits are actually currently there in many websites. Don't go and try to hack any websites. Please don't do that. Unless you are part of some bug
Getting
bounty
paid.
program. Yeah, and getting paid for that, and it's legal. But yeah, the blogs that I was referring to, people have written blogs about bug bounty programs wherein they found this exact bug, and those blogs are not even that old. It's like a month or two old. uh, so I just took the whole idea from there. I was even thinking of creating a CTF blog 4, uh, wherein you will have the same bug but in OTP style. Like you will actually get a phone OTP and everything, but a similar bug. Yeah, bug bounty. You can just Google bug bounty websites. HackerOne is one of them. I usually like HackerOne because it has the most uh, clear guidelines, and also it allows you to public disclosure is also there. Like after 3 months or 4 months, you are allowed to do public disclosure, which is nice because getting recognized for your work is always nice. So that was answer to Abir's question on where can we find such websites. But yeah, you can Google. There are a bunch of amazing blogs on that. And then I was thinking of a fifth blog. Okay, fifth CTF blog, which I might even do next time. But if someone has done this, if someone has actually tried this API, please validate if my theory is even right or not, because I don't know if this will be possible. But imagine you are using the Stripe API, the payment Stripe API, and you are in the development mode. Okay, so in development mode, Stripe has this pre-made fake credit card numbers and fake CVV. The CVV is, I guess, 0000 and three zeros, and then the whole number is just 1 to 10 or something. So using that, you can do payments of anything. If you are in development mode on that website, you can do payments of any amount. So I was just actually going to create a actual medium style payment page, and then have people figure out like, can you actually do that? But then I was also going to allow actual payments, and you can actually pay and access the flag, because why not? Right? So I don't know if this will work. I don't know if it will work or not, but I want to try it out once. But it is just a lot of work to create a payment page and do all of that. But I may do it in future someday.
Should
I don't know.
work. I mean, I don't see
It
why
should
it
work,
wouldn't.
right? Yeah, exactly.
Except it might not work for the real payments, I think. Like
Yeah,
maybe, like I don't
yeah.
think Stripe would let you do that, right?
I don't know. I mean, it's just real payment with development mode on. I don't know.
I
But
mean,
yeah, basically, I did not do it. Another reason for me not doing it this time was, Will was like, if the real payments work, then you are not allowed to do it. If they don't work, then you are allowed to do it, because we don't want people to like pay. So yeah, whatever.
you
So
can
yeah,
add like that could be the prize pool for the next CTF challenge, right?
Right, that was my logic. That was my logic, but Will was against it. So yeah, whatever. But let's pick up some speed here and solve other challenges fast. So I know we have solved Pixel 2 and Pixel 3 and Aliens 3. Be Careful 2 is the next on the list, and then after that we will go to Secret Entries because yeah, everyone is here to see that. Let's not kid ourselves.
So you will do it. I mean, I'm but a silent spectator in this.
Right. Yeah. Right. But yeah, let's first do the Crack Me series and be okay. I am not gonna do Be Careful. Should I do Be Careful or should I do Crack Me first?
Whichever is
This
shorter.
the Crack Me do is just a minute's work. So yeah, I'll just do that. So here it is written. Download the attached message. The one is this one is 5 and 2 times better. And it will rock you. Better than what? I should have written better than what. I have no idea, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm guessing better than
it's
Crack
just wrong
Me.
English. Yeah, I'm also guessing that. But yeah, if it is better than Crack Me, the clue is actually wrong. I know it's wrong because yeah, I made it. Uh, but yeah, let's get this here and okay, Ankit, why don't you like my animations? Answer that first. While
Okay.
I,
Do you want the honest answer or do you want me to be nice?
it's a live stream, so I just want you to follow MLH code of conduct.
I was just gonna say they're bad. That's all I was gonna say. Your accusations are very hurtful, must admit.
So yeah, we have this file here. Sorry for the naming. Let's just. Should I just open the file? Yeah, I should just open the file today.
Yeah, yeah.
It opened with
Let's see.
transmission. Why? I
Maybe
have
because
no idea why.
maybe because it's .enc and transmission picks
.enc.
that up. Yeah.
But why did it pick it up? I don't know.
You know how random like programs like just want to bind themselves to random extension? I'm
Yeah,
guessing that's what
yeah.
they did, yeah.
Okay, I know this. I know this. Okay, so it's 5 and 2 times better because I'm assuming this is star 5 and 2 because I
Yeah.
know this star six star six, sorry $6. I know it is yeah, see hash degree. So it is SHA-1 or SHA-5 and 2, either of those. And since it is written that it is
I don't think it's SHA five
five
and two,
and
it's
two,
too short, right? I mean, I don't know. Is it too
it
short? Isn't it too
no,
short?
I think it's SHA-5 and 2 is this much. Yeah, I think it is this much.
I
I'm just
mean,
gonna copy
there's only
this.
it's 512 characters, and I don't think that dot and slash are. Oh, right, those
So
are the salts and stuff, right?
yeah, exactly. So dot and then salt and everything. So it's four parted thing. So since the username here and it is like in the perfect combo format, right? The username
Yes.
password combo format. If no, okay, I can actually show that. Let me just confirm that there is something that I can. This is something that I can show. Just wait a second. Okay, so no one is allowed to judge me on this, but
Don't worry, they already are.
yeah. And again, transmission opened it. Why is transmission opening a tar.gz file and not something
Yeah.
like
You know, you
arc
can
or
just
something?
unbind it. Like that's the
Yeah.
easiest way. You can just.
Okay. So if anyone has never seen a combo file, it just looks like this. I hope transmission does not open a text file. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, any combo file, if you have ever downloaded a combo file, it just looks like this. Username and password. These are all decrypted passwords of random websites. Uh, if you find your username and password here, I am not responsible for that. I am not the one who hacked it. But yeah, it is always separated by a colon. Username and password. Username and password. So that is how you usually
Some of them are
find
actually
those.
very secure passwords. I'm surprised they ended up on this list.
Yeah, sometimes things happen, you know.
Yeah.
Let me actually show the encrypted ones. Why don't I have any encrypted ones? I have all the decrypted ones. I've not deleted anything. Okay, I don't have any encrypted ones. But yeah, encrypted ones would look like this, the one that we have. And usually it would be MD5 or how did you get those combo files? I think
Download.
if you can ask me this on Discord, I can answer you that. I cannot answer you answer that here.
A lot of them are actually just like plain on GitHub repos. Like
Oh, you
if
do
you,
find them on GitHub? I had no idea
yeah,
about
I
that.
mean, why
Yeah.
not?
Okay.
I think
But
most
yeah.
orgs they already have the top 10,000 passwords list and they just
Yeah, yeah,
ban
yeah, yeah.
it.
So
They
so
do that.
that's there, but the combo list is not there, right? Those were the combo list, like username and password. On GitHub,
Yeah.
you will find like the password file same as I have the RockU one. So yeah, what you do is here is I just have the hash now, and I want to decode this hash. So we can just use hashcat for it. What am I even passing? I am passing the output here, and then I am passing the hash file. Okay, I don't want to pass the hash file now. I want to pass this file. So yeah, what I'm doing here is I'm setting 18 mode 1800, which is basically the mode for SHA-256, just the hash without in not the combo format. Unsalted, no, a salted hash. No, sorry,
Yeah.
unsalted hash.
I'm pretty
SHA-256
sure this
because
is
we are not
sorted, right?
passing. No, this is not salted because I am not passing the salt, right? You would want the salt. This is not salted. So yeah, just
Okay.
the normal SHA 256 hash, and I'm passing the whole rocky.txt, which is I guess of 500 MBs, 50 MBs, I don't remember, but something like that. So yeah, you just do this, and it should have the output in output.txt. So you catch that, and yeah, the password, the hashed, non-hashed version, the decrypted version is I have no idea. So there you have it. The solution for this was simply decrypting it and brute forcing it. Now, just a clarification here: the mistake was there was a mistake in this specific one. The original answer to this question was something else. So I had tried a bunch of different hashes, and please don't judge me if you see something weird, because I had to try very many different hashes. I don't know how many of them ended in this file. It was crypto crack me too hash. Yeah, I had to try so many hashes, which was, yeah, all of this. So originally I had set the flag as I am Ironman 95. So I am Ironman 95 was supposed to take about 3 to 4 seconds on my PC, and I tried it on AWS server. It was showing me it will take 8 hours to crack it because of one CPU, and on my friend's PC it was taking about 5 to 7 minutes. So I had kept it at this, but then I'm like, let's just make it more simpler and just go with this. I have no idea. So yeah, finally I went with that. And so again, just to show you why it takes different time for different files, I'm just going to open this. If it opens, where did it open? It opened somewhere, but I'm not able to figure out where.
I don't see it, so I don't think it's there.
I cannot see it. Oh no, trying to open a fifth so many, I don't know, billion line file from terminal is not a good idea while streaming, because yeah, it just is hanging my PC, so I'm gonna try and close
Yeah.
it. So yeah, you can open the file and figure out like which password comes on which line. But yeah, my PC just hanged for a second. Whatever.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
move on
Your
to the
your
next
uh,
challenge.
your video is like 5 seconds behind now. So yeah.
Yeah, that is because of that. It will pick up the pace once it is done with clearing out everything. I should
Yeah.
just
Now you're
close
back.
this too. Yeah. See. Okay.
Interesting
Where?
challenge.
Yes. It was a simple challenge. Not
Yeah.
simple for anyone who has not done rocky.txt before, but that was the whole motto behind it, that you try out rocky.txt and also hashcat. Hashcat is amazing. It is the most optimized cracker out there, and it can crack almost any hash available. It's just
The hint was
giving it time.
misleading though. So yeah.
It is not misleading. It was a sharp 5 and 2 hash, 5 and 2 times better. I also copied all of the crack me 2, and crack me 3 directly from a single video on YouTube. So if anyone would have found that video, it was so easy to solve all the three challenges.
I love how
Like
this
so
CTF
easy.
session every day is just you telling us how you got the challenge from somewhere else. Except CTF blog.
Lost you there, Ankit. I cannot hear you,
Can you hear
or
me now?
maybe people cannot hear me. Okay, who is offline? Is it me or Ankit? If someone can just clarify that in the Twitch chat. It's not me because Google's working for me.
I
Ankit,
mean,
are you back? Oh,
yeah,
you are
I am.
back. Yeah. No, we lost you for a few seconds there. At least I lost
All
you.
right,
Oh,
all right.
okay. Everyone else was able to hear both of us, but I was not able to hear you. Amazing. That's just how this works, I guess.
Yeah,
So yeah,
pretty
we
good.
can do Crack Me 3 or we can do Andreas first. Let's do Andreas first just to change a bit of pace. Because at this
Yeah,
point,
just
I'm not sure if we can solve all the challenges. So I want to solve the most requested challenges. Link to the YouTube video. You can just Google Live Overflow. Let's just no. I'm not.
I
I'm not
knew it.
googling. I'm
I
not
knew it
opening.
was live overflow.
But I'm not opening my YouTube in front of a live audience. Not doing that. So yeah, private. But yeah, live overflow. The playlist was. I know the playlist. I know the playlist. It was some walkthroughs. Yeah, CTF walkthroughs, and in that in that this one, yeah, crypto 60, 70, 90. All the three challenges directly from here. So yeah, this is it.
Cool stuff. And live overflow. I mean, as soon as you said a video, I was like, it's
Live
probably live
overflow, right?
overflow. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I was gonna open YouTube in front of a live audience. Never do that. I've learned that the hard way. So yeah, secretive Andreas, the most annoying favorite challenge of everyone out there. Ankit, can you just read the challenge for me while I drink water?
Yeah, sure, sure. So my geologist friend Andres recently visited a furnace store with an amazing selection. But when I asked him for the location, he was secretive and told me it's near the center of the triangle, formed by the three farthest lignite mines in Germany. Anyway, I was able to find the location of the furnace store, but I had to one up him by visiting his favorite nature reserve and pranking him. It's been a few days, but he still hasn't noticed what I did. Maybe you can help him find it.
So yeah, so we apparently need to find a furnace store.
Which is near the center of the three farthest lignite mines.
Yeah.
So the
Okay.
first task is to find the three farthest lignite mines.
Okay. Okay. So let's do that. Let's do that.
Actually, Karan, maybe we want to start with the hint. Maybe you want to do
No,
that.
I'm just gonna start with Google Maps and go to Germany. Germany is one of my favorite country. So if anyone wants to sponsor me a trip there, always welcome. So yeah, let's go to Germany and find lignite mines, which I did for a few hours. I knew it. It would bring me back here. Is my spelling of lignite even right? I don't know.
Oh, interesting. I mean, I won't tell you why it's interesting, but
No, I know why is it interesting. I know the
oh, right,
answer.
you know the mines, right? Okay.
Yeah, I know the mines. So yeah, if I search lignite mines, I actually get one of them at least, but just one of them, which is weird, really weird. If it brings me back to India, I'm gonna kill it. Ah, like going. I should just use. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna switch to Germany. No, I should not do that.
Yeah,
I was thinking
why
of
not
switching
type
to
lignite mines
NordVPN.
in Germany? I think that should give you more
I
mines,
don't
right?
trust Google. I will just do this. Yeah, see, I
Yeah, I
got more
mean,
mines. So now we have a few year, but we don't have anything that would refer to fathers. Okay, let's go to Google. Mines in Germany list. Okay, so I see Wikipedia, I see Aditi now or Adit now, some database, and then I see this. So my name sounds like search only with content. No, I just want Germany and type as lignite. There's no lignite type,
mine.
Ankit.
Type as mine.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Mineral as lignite. I am my bad. There is no lignite mineral. Ankit. Ankit. Why is it there? Not there. It's there. Lithium is there, but not lignite.
Okay, do you want to know why, Karan?
It's a type of coal or something.
Look at the URL.
Look at the URL. URL. Coal mines. Nice. Okay. ah. No, I mean, if I don't select the mineral.
No, no, no. I'm
Right.
saying that this is not the site that
Oh,
has
I
the
know
table,
that.
right?
I know that, but I am just trying to
Okay, okay.
find it on this website. Maybe
Oh
you
yeah,
can
you're
find
not
it on
going
this
to, yeah.
website.
Yeah, you won't
Yeah.
because
Showing
yeah, no,
37 results and it shows nothing. Like it
yeah.
says that it is
Zoom out,
showing 37
zoom
results.
out, zoom out. Let's see.
Yeah.
It has to be there, right?
Yeah. So we have a silver mine. We don't want a silver
We don't
mine.
want a
Silver
silver mine.
mine, iron mine. Why did you make? Why did you choose lignite mines and not something like silver mines?
Okay, to be
Okay.
honest, it was random.
So everyone is like, no, current. Tell us how to reach that Wikipedia page.
Okay, yeah. So maybe they
So
want to start from the Wikipedia page. So let's do that, I guess.
yeah. Okay. The which Wikipedia page was it?
Okay,
Was
yeah.
it?
See, now you're asking me the hard questions. Now I have to look it up.
Yeah, okay. So I think the point was not to reach to that Wikipedia page. The point was to reach to this website, Mindata. And this website was linked on that Wikipedia page so many times. Like so many times.
Uh,
So that was the whole point. You had to figure out to reach to this website and not there. And why is everyone just, yeah, 4 times is more than enough, man. 4 times is more than enough. You don't get that Wikipedia page. You need to find this website, and not just this website, the footer of this website actually. But yeah, if you find this website, you can find the footer. And why are just people roasting us today? I
I
think it's
don't
because
know.
it's because you are on the stream, because yesterday it was
Possible,
not like
yeah.
this. Yeah. But yeah, so let's jump to the solution. Once you figure out it's this website, you go and type lignite. I'm just assuming the spelling of lignite at this point, if I am right or wrong. And then you type Germany, and search. So if you type it in the top bar, you don't find it. Okay, Ankit, can you answer this? Where did you find that Wikipedia page? Because I don't know the answer to
Oh,
that.
okay. So it was meant to be in a way that you can find the link easily. So there's a page on Wikipedia where you can see where other pages are linked.
Right, the
So I
backlinks. Yeah.
Yes. So I searched. So I went to that page and I found out which page is most like it's short, so you can look through it and has a lot of links to that particular page, and that was the page. So it was random, but
There
it
were
still didn't work.
100,000 links on that page. Seriously? I need to open that page. I've never opened that page.
Well,
Ankit,
I'll
can you
send it
send
to
me
you on
the link?
Discord. Yeah, sure. I
Yeah.
mean, I'll send you the. I only have. Okay, I have the link. Sure.
Okay. So yeah, here's the link. I never
See,
opened
there were
that.
many links, but if you remember my second hint, right? I said I literally highlighted right there and mined that, and I was like, maybe this will help, and I don't think that helped.
So yeah, there are minerals.galleries.com. I would have clicked on minerals.gallery.com for sure.
You could have clicked on everything, and you would actually have quite easily landed up on the correct site. At least that's what I think.
See, this was my thought last time when I made the Christmas challenge. And that time you were like, Karan, this challenge is so annoying and it does not make sense.
Yeah, so
But
I was
that
inspired by you
was
this time.
but that challenge was much better than this is. That hard use of people's API, Google's people's API and everything. But yeah,
That was more difficult. So
here
in
we
that
have
way, it was
many
more difficult.
challenges. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, we have we have three mines at one place and then we have multiple mines. But since we have to select farthest mine, I'm guessing one will be this one is this one, and then all three are, I think, fairly close, so I can take any one location.
Yeah, you can.
But yeah, I won't take this one because that is clearly close to other two, so I'm just gonna take either this or this, anyone. So yeah, does it give coordinates to it or something? Or can you click on it? Oh, you can click on it at least. Okay. Here are the coordinates. So I'm just gonna copy that in a temporary file. Open this. Open this. Actually, I've not solved this challenge fully. So I actually don't know the solution to this, but I know the flow of it, and that is what I am trying to remember. But yeah,
Yeah.
if I have to find the center of this, then I need a
After the
calci.
first step, I think it should be simpler, right?
Was this the first step? I am assuming this was the first step. Let's just
Yeah,
assume
this
this
was
was
the
the
first
first
step.
step.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so now I just want a calci to figure out the center. Take the bottom one. Someone just told us to take the bottom one. Should I just do that? Is it a
I don't
hint or
know.
is it trying
You're
to?
solving it.
Yeah, let's take the bottom one. Sure, I don't mind. Yeah, no one reached your first step. Clearly, I think you did. Your team did reach it because your team is the only team that solved it. And congrats for that. Okay, I have four coordinates now. Should I just? Okay, which one was the? Okay.
The first one. The first one was the one.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Then I will just remove that. Ah, no, 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 no. Cancel, 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 cancel. Yeah. The shortcut for removing lines on every different program is different. So how do you? Okay, a little help with maths here.
You can do
How do
it, Karan.
you?
I have
How do
faith
you
in you,
figure
Karan.
out the centroid of a triangle?
You can do it, Karan. I have faith in
Do
you.
you just add it and divide it? That should work, right? Yeah, it should work. I'm just gonna do it.
I actually wrote a script to the calculation. Um,
Why? Is
because
it is it not just there? This?
yeah, but it's easier if you're from a solving perspective where you're solving many coordinates. Do you really want to keep doing this in the calculator?
I mean, they are just two coordinates. I am assuming this challenge does not go for longer than two coordinates. I mean, last time I had given you what 10 coordinates or something in one of the challenges.
What was that? The maps code one.
The maps code one.
That was
Pe- People were going crazy. People like drew maps, drew all the points, connected everything in that challenge. I have all the pics even now. So this is the coordinates. Let's just keep it up and
I
go
mean,
to
only Karan
this.
would make a challenge that had geography in it, but it was actually a math challenge. Only you would
Oh,
do that.
it was not a maps challenge. It was a ASCII
Math.
challenge.
It was a math
Math.
challenge.
It was not
Yes.
a math challenge. It was a
It was a
ASCII
math challenge.
challenge.
ASCII is math. If you're converting coordinates to
Okay,
ASCII,
what
it's math.
happened? Why is it not showing a marker somewhere? I want a marker.
You have to paste the coordinate in the search.
I edited the top bar instead. I thought that would work, but clearly not. Okay, so we have something here.
Hmm. Rip.
Ankita, I will kill you if this does not work. This should work.
I mean, obviously it did work. Otherwise, how would the other team have solved it?
So okay, no, there was something, right? There was something. Uh, there was some. I am supposed to. Anyways, I was able to find the location of furnace. Sure, but I had by visiting his favorite natural reserve. How did you even prank him? What was the prank?
How would I know?
You pranked him. It is written that you one upped him by pranking him. What did you prank him with?
Oh, alright. I know it, but I can't tell you. Yeah. My bad. I worded it wrong.
So there's a natural reserve here of some kind, right?
You haven't found the
National,
furnace story yet, Karan.
but it is
Steps.
closed, right? It is close to.
I don't know. I don't think it's
Oh,
close.
okay. Then I'll just zoom a bit and find
Actually, it,
a.
it might be close, but I don't know if it's close, to be honest.
Oh,
So
you
yeah.
have no idea.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, if people went through every nature reserve, they would probably be able to solve the challenge. But I think that's kind of a challenge in itself.
Furnace store near that position. How does Google work? Where is my original position? Okay, where is my original position? Was
Okay,
it
what
this
if I
one?
told you that this coordinate is wrong?
No, please. It looks right.
Okay. Do you know why it's not right?
Why?
Because the furnace store is 500 meters away from the correct location.
And why is that?
I'm just saying that someone in Twitch chat just really wanted to mislead you. That's all I'm gonna say.
Whatever, but then I'm looking at a bigger area, right? If it is just 500 meters, then it should not matter. But I don't know where my original location was.
So
That's
to
what
go,
I am telling you.
yeah, you can go there again though. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm just gonna search both of those things. Oh, it just gave me one thing in India. Did it just do that?
Yeah.
Yes. Google is not good at this. Google needs to improve their search algorithm.
See now, if you want to search nearby, you click on nearby and then you can search.
Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you for teaching me how to use Google Maps. Yay! Okay, what? There is no furnace store near here. How am I?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna
That's what I'm
take
saying.
this
Like
one.
even a little bit of difference
Okay, no. See,
makes
see,
you
see, see. I found it. I found it. I found so many furnace stores.
fine. Feel free to brute force it. I'm
So
sorry
the
that you don't
thing
want to
was
solve
like
it.
a bit up. So it might be this or this. I'm not even considering this too. I'm just considering this and this. Okay, so
Interesting.
since you say it is inspired and there is one review by Andreas, see, I found it. I found it. But okay, what after this? There's nothing written here.
Hey, it's my friend Andrews. Don't judge him.
Okay. Oh, clicking on it, something happens. There are multiple
Okay,
reviews.
that's a weird translation by Google. I'm just going to ignore that.
What translation?
The first
Very.
one.
Oh, okay. Don't tell me you have put this. All of
Obviously, I
this.
did. I was looking for the perfect entry point, so obviously, I did.
Okay, what? He has reviews on so many places, but then I am not guessing that you went and did this, all of this. Maybe something in photos. Oh, there's a national reserve here. Okay. I'm just gonna go to this national reserve. And then there are photos by Andreas. But I'm assuming you have not created this fake account.
Okay, I don't like these sort of accusations, Karan, but I let it pass.
No, it's just too much work to create the whole account, right?
Yeah, and it's been
I
done like
won't.
4 years ago. So
Or
yeah,
oh,
it's
I did not even notice that. But why is it showing me just the contribution of that person and not the not if I go here then it does not even show me that somehow.
it's fine.
Okay, I
I
did
mean,
not scroll. Yeah. Okay, I found your. I know this is your username. So let's just open this review. And yeah, here it is. So I know this is a fake flag, but I'm just gonna show everyone that this is a fake flag. I know this is a fake flag because yeah, Ethic was like, I am submitting the flag, but it's not working. So at some point, so this happened. So I was not able to reach Ankit. I actually went ahead and changed the flag to nice place. Uh, because yeah, because I thought that it was a mistake at some point. And the original thing is not working. Where is it? Where is secret Andreas? Secret Andreas. Yeah, here it is. So I actually changed that. So yeah, but it shows incorrect. So then you go back and think more, and you think more, and you see that he has 4 images. But I noticed something in this and in this. There was one. So not this. Yeah, this. No, not even this. Where's the original review by Andreas? There was something similar in both of them. I want to go back to his original review.
I love how there's a shopping center in the middle of the water. I love
Yeah, but
that.
like, it is not allowing. Yeah, where is the review by? Oh wow, I have to search. Ah, search. Andreas. Seriously? It does not show me the original review, but it shows me that.
Because Andres never uploaded a review, did he?
He did.
No, he didn't. He just uploaded
There were.
photos.
Array. Okay, okay. Right, right. There was some photo there that he uploaded that I am interested in. This is by you. This is also by you.
It's not good.
Alexander.
Yeah.
No, the second one was. I think audio got delayed or something. Okay, where is photo by him? Why can't I find his photo? And why is there not a search feature? Who
Because
is this? It's you.
I took it from here and put it in the same place. So yeah.
I know that. I because I noticed that, but I want to figure out which photo was it. I
These
am.
are all
Oh,
very like these are like latest stuff. You know that, right?
you know what? I'm just gonna go in my history and find his profile.
Yeah. I knew that. Yeah, you're gonna have to do that anyway.
Where is he? Where is that person? I am not able to find him. Furnace store. Okay. Yeah, let's just go there to this place. What? Search this area. Yeah, found it. And
I love
then I
how
want.
Ethic is enjoying this. Uh,
Etik is enjoying this because he has spent so much time on this.
like
Photos.
he just
Finally, we have it. Okay.
yes, you
So
made
there are
it.
four photos, and now I just want to compare your uploads. Okay, I'm just gonna take my time here. Okay, it's this one. This one. Yes, this one. Now I want to download this photo, which Etik taught me how to do. You just do this.
There is also
I
another way to do it, which is
usually do
which
it
you don't
using
have to
network
record.
tab. I usually do
No,
it
not
using
require,
network
not
tab.
network tab. There's like another tab in the reviews, so you can
Oh,
do it
okay.
normally. Yeah,
Okay.
but this is also interesting.
Yeah, I think told me this is how you can do, but well, yeah. So let's go to CDF solutions and paste it here.
Like now, I'm getting like notifications from Google that this review is getting like thousands of reviews,
That was
and
me last time, and you remember that video, the Santa video, the live one.
yeah.
The number of views of that video went up by 30 or 40 just because of that challenge. People were like mad. People were like actually viewing that video.
I think I'm the only one who didn't open that video even once. I because I
Oh,
knew that you were
seriously?
scamming me. Yeah, I didn't because I knew that you were
But
scamming me.
it's a
So
it's a so good video. You get to see live the Santa Village, right? I don't know if anyone knows what the Santa Village is here, but you get to see it live. Also, why does it name canvas.png? I think it's just Google thing. I
because
think it's just
the
Google
the
thing. Yeah, it's a
software
canvas.
it's called. You know why it's called Canvas. The real reason, right?
No, I don't. I just
Because
assumed because it's like a canvas. It might be a canvas tag there, the HTML tag.
okay, possible. That is possible. But like every image that is made by that site is
Seriously?
canvas.png.
No,
Yeah,
no.
seriously. Yeah, I'm pretty
So
sure.
you mean if I open another image, it won't be named canvas? Let's try that.
Yeah, sure, try that. Interesting fact about Google is that it saves your images with the same name as you uploaded it.
Oh wow, huh? I
So
thought it
yeah.
would be renaming it. Is that a good practice? I don't know.
I mean,
Let's try and
I'm guessing what they do is they do a straight up upload, so they don't bother with anything. Like it's like uncompressed as
no.
well. I'm guessing
So next time we can just have flags divided into multiple images and in the name of the images, right?
the people on Twitch are going to hate you, but yeah, sure, we can.
I mean it's better than what you are doing here.
I was inspired by my pod leader Karan. That's all I can say.
So anything happens in life, you are just gonna blame me. Like, yeah.
There
Wow.
is no blame. There is only inspiration. And as
Right,
you heard me,
right,
I said I was inspired. So yeah.
right. Yeah, I did hear that. I did hear that. So since this is just an image and we kind of have a password, but I don't think Canvas is a password. But I'm gonna try and upload this here, and I know it's gonna work because yeah, I just know it. But yeah, you are just supposed to do it after this point as a Stigo challenge. So yeah,
I think
but if
everyone's
you
just annoyed
upload
at
it and
the.
decode it, so you have it. Get pranked, lol. Seriously, that was the answer to this challenge.
Hey, I
You
wrote
you
prank.
could
I
have
wrote
had a better you could have had a better flag here. Come on.
I'm just saying, I was pranking him, so I'm gonna write get pranked lol. I mean, it was that simple.
Wow. Okay, whatever. So this was the prank for Andreas. And you think a person who you are trying to prank will go through the effort of solving the entire challenge?
Well, to be true, I did say that he didn't find it, which is true.
Well, that's
So
also
yes.
true. Yeah. Okay, okay. So next challenge I want to solve is Hey Gabe Times Up and Dynamic Enough segments because those were the next hardest challenge. Yeah, at this point I've just moved to the hardest ones. If anyone wants me to solve any other challenge, you can write that in the chat. But yeah, I want to solve dynamic nerve segments because yeah, I will solve maybe crypto too, but it will just take 2 minutes, so I will do that after dynamic nerve segments. uh, so yeah, I know what dynamic nerve segments are because it's written in the description as okay, it's my name is also written in the description. Okay, I had no idea about this. Let me read the let me read the description once. On Path Zero, we had Nerf competition. We did not. We did we? We did not. I don't know. Maybe I missed it. Everyone was using their special abilities to try and win the thing. What is a Nerf competition? Isn't it like the shooting one? It's the shooting one, right? I have no idea. I missed it. In the semifinals, me and Karan were leading a team against Will's team. Okay, definitely I was not there then. Okay. Will had knocked out everyone in the first 3 rounds by putting everyone to sleep using ASMR. Nice, nice, nice technique. So we needed to play with our ears covered, but still be able to communicate. Karan had this amazing idea of using DNS dynamic nerve segment records as a way to talk strategies. Uses DNS domain name system to pass messages. For that, we used a domain name, and that's the story of my first domain name. Okay, okay. Let's go to this website. I like this domain. And also at the same time, I'm just gonna call it. Okay, it is a 301, which means that it's behind a Nginx server, which the Vaplizer also shows us. Is this a
Have
way
you
of just
tried?
getting
Did you
people
try
to?
HTTPS? Maybe that's the reason for the
Oh, right,
301.
right, right. Yeah, for the 301, right. Oh, it just might be Cloudflare then. Okay, yeah, it is. It is maybe Cloudflare. No, it is
Yeah.
not Cloudflare. It is GitHub Pages. Okay, it is GitHub Pages. So it might be on his Git. But then he says that he has used dynamic nerve segments. Okay, let me just close all this annoying Andreas tabs.
Hey, I'm just saying. It was an interesting challenge.
I am not denying that. Okay, it's OSINT as well. So OSINT means it could be on his GitHub. I would have done that. Does he have his website open? How do you name the website? Is there a special name? There is a special naming convention, right?
The username is the same as the repo name.
Right. Yeah, here it is. But then it was updated 25 days ago. Let's see the commits. But at the same time, I wanted to Google dynamic nerve segments, like the meaning of this thing. Ah, not print. Search Google. Yeah, here it is. World's best prank. Use technography to add a text in an image you upload to a reserve which address visited 3 years ago, which is at the center of three forest fires in Germany, which aren't listed on a Google search. I mean,
Exactly.
exactly. Yeah. So there is nothing known as dynamics nerve segments records. Neural radiance. These are some weird stuff. But I also see he has written domain name system to pass messages. And I don't know how do you use DNS. What is DNS? DNS is a resolver that we use to convert. Oh, okay. Then we have to convert it into IP, but it's a GitHub pages. Let me just do that. Let me just see the records of this. I know you can do it using. Was it? Yeah, it was Dig, I guess. Yeah, Dig. Oh, I did it today morning. Amazing. Dig his website. Ah, not this. Yeah, this. So these are all. I know these are all GitHub ones. What if I want to find subdomains? How do we find subdomains in Dig? Dig find all records, all DNS records, all DNS records. Just all using Dig. Yeah, I'm just googling at this point. Okay, let's just copy this. Have you done this anytime, Ankit?
I don't use Dig, I use online stuff. It's faster.
No, it's not.
It is. Trust me, it is.
Um,
Because you don't have to search for the commands.
it did not give me anything. It literally did not give me anything. Uh, I'm just gonna remove. Just keep any. Okay, let's use our online tool now.
I love it. Uh,
Find all rec subdomains online. Pentest tools. What do you use? Or DNS dumpster.
Try anything. Try anything. The
Try
trick is to
anything.
keep trying until the website tells you the answer. So yeah,
GM
cruise.me.
cruise.me. Why is it GM Cruise? Okay, we have Cloudflare, Google, Fastly, and Carlos. Everything hosted in US. ASA.ns is Cloud4 DNS server, MX records, text records, Google site verification apparently of some sort. And then
This is
GitHub.
interesting.
Oh,
And we have
there is
another.
some retro cloud. Yeah, let's go to that. So I don't like the color scheme of this thing.
And to be honest, it looks nice and it looks like Hack the Box, right?
Yeah, it looks like Hack the Box, but even then I don't like it. So okay, this is the A record, text record. Then we have CDN. Okay, we can I think just forget about the GitHub thing.
Mhm.
If it is not there in the repo, which I don't know why the commits are still loading. Yeah, they are just bumping. Nothing extra. So map generated. Why is that even a link? Why is that a link here?
I mean,
Like
those seem
I
to be just
don't
Google stuff,
understand
I
this.
guess.
Yeah, exactly. It's this is. Didn't you send me a thing once where we had to look into the Google site verification thing?
Oh yeah, that was for HTTPS certificates. Yeah, you want to use that?
Yeah, what's the
It's
name?
called
CRT.sh, right?
I don't know what it's called. It's like Google as HTTPS transparency. It's
I
called
think
something
it's
like
the
that.
yeah, we can find it on this. I used it
No,
today.
it's not this. Yeah, it's like
It's
a
not
Google site.
this.
Yeah, it's called Google Transparency Report or something.
Even then, I'm just gonna try this. You know what?
Yeah, I'll try
I'm
it.
just gonna
Actually,
try this.
you're spelling it
Because
wrong every time.
yeah, I know, I know.
I love how you made cruise into crux.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
we do
Someone
have
also
some
said this Python something, which we did
Python
not find
tutorial.
there. Python tutorial.
Interesting.
Tutorial. Okay, interesting. Something new.
I'm guessing it's kind of the same thing that the transparency report also gives us, right?
Yeah. So we have URLs, HTML. I don't know. Is it somewhere here? This would be a very annoying challenge if it is in some of this photo or something.
I actually know the flag, but the flag
Oh,
is not related to this.
I have no idea about this challenge. Like none at all.
Yeah, no, because I saw the flag like what a long time back, but I remember what's on
Okay,
the flag.
you know the word. You know no don't know the process. That is what you're
Yeah,
saying.
no, I don't know the process. So the
Okay.
word is the kind of tells you the
The
process.
the
So
retro
yeah,
cloud does not open.
okay, interesting.
Do I have tab session manager open here? Then we have all these different ones, right?
Interesting.
So this is like fairly new. Can you hide something in the this transparency certificate itself?
No, you can't. This is like automatically done by Let's Encrypt. So
Okay, so but no, but like you can maybe email address or something.
I mean, I don't think you have any control over that because this is GitHub Pages, right? So GitHub Pages
Right,
just
makes
hands it
sense.
completely over to
No, but
Let's Encrypt.
I still want to look into this
Yeah,
because
exactly. This might be
how
something.
so okay, what can you do with this? I'm just gonna Google this. Yeah, okay, we can also do
Yeah, I
cracking
was gonna say the
3
same thing. I keep accidentally muting myself. Okay.
site verification API. Okay. Oh, is it this the G tag or something? Google tags.
Yeah, I'm guessing that you need it to like webmaster tools that Google has. I'm guessing you need the
Verifying your
thing for
domain
that.
with a text record. Okay. So then it's of no use, right?
Except the flag.
That's
I mean,
the
I won't
flag?
tell you what the flag is.
Okay,
Okay,
what?
do you want to know the flag? Or should I tell you?
No. I want to just give me 2 more minutes. If I cannot figure it out in 2 more minutes, then maybe you can tell me. Verifying your domain with a text record.
No, I'm just saying that if the flag were to be not like a red herring, then we should have found the answer. That's what I'm thinking.
I have no idea what that means.
Yeah, it's fine. Let's see.
So you add the Google site verification in content. But can I find something using that text record, like
Yeah, that's what also
backtrace
I'm
it
thinking.
to a
Like, can you
file?
do like a reverse query?
Yeah, that is my question. And we have all these alt thingies. What is that? But they're MX record. I don't care about MX records. Like
Yeah.
these are, yeah, not at all important in my opinion for at least this challenge.
I mean, I don't know if this is subdomain, but let me just check it out anyway.
You know what? I'm gonna try one more website for DNS records because I don't trust that website for some reason. I just don't like the. Uh, I spelled it right this time. You can take a look at the solution on your personal screen. I can take a look at a solution on my personal screen. I'm gonna do that. If he has written the solution, because at some point we just got bored and did not write the solution. So I don't know if he has written the solution. It should be under Mesk or Osint.
Okay, I checked
I didn't even
cloud
find the solution.
transparency.
Oh, you what cloud transparency?
Google. transparency report. They
Oh,
don't have
and
anything.
and you
Yeah,
find
there's
found
nothing.
anything?
There's nothing.
Oh, there's nothing. Amazing.
Oh wait. There might actually be something. So there's Python tutorial.
That we searched. That did not give
That's it.
anything.
That's it. There are no other subdomains.
Which category is this challenge in?
Yeah, I forgot.
Nice. What was the name of the challenge? Dynamic nerve segments. Okay. So, enumerate subdomains to find this and then find this. What?
No.
Okay,
It's
if
it's.
this.
I don't think it's a subdomain because
No,
cloud
the solution
transparency.
solution says that it is a subdomain.
So it is Python tutorial,
No,
right?
it is not. It is not the Python tutorial one, and that is like my biggest
But
concern.
how
Like,
is it possible, right? Like I don't think it's possible.
yeah, the all comments are still loading. I don't know what's happening there. So no, I want to find all the subdomains even now. I want to have. I know one website that works really nicely. I am trying to the Google one. Yeah,
The point
because it
is
has
if
a
it if it
nice material layout,
okay,
and
I
I
checked Google, it's not there. Oh wait, admin toolbox? I haven't even
yeah.
heard of this.
So I usually use this when I am not using anything else. Any I'm just gonna check the CNAME records, text records. Can you just add a star in front of it to get all the subdomains? No, you cannot do that.
Interesting.
So now, since I know the solution, I'm just gonna try that once. But I don't like this if you cannot find it. Yeah, see, it's not even a website. So how am I supposed to find this? So the solution here says that enumerate subdomains under gmcruise.me to find flag.gmcruise.me. After you find that, get the text record, and in the text record, it's there. So yeah, I saw the text record. It is there. The MLH thing is there. Text records are weird. And this part of the solution, I do like it. But then if I cannot even find the dig record for directly the website, GM, why am I messing the name up? Yeah, it does not have a record or a CNAME record. So how am I supposed to enumerate all the domains?
And I mean, as far as I knew, the transparency report actually uh, has like 100% of websites indexed, including subdomains. So I'm
No,
guessing
so
that they
the
don't.
transparency report is uh, just for the HTTPS SSL certificates.
Yeah. So I'm
The,
guessing, but the point is, if it's on the same domain, it must have HTTPS, right?
no, you can have you need to have different certificates for subdomains and normal one. So that's kind
No,
of
no, you have a wildcard certificate, right, for that.
yeah.
So
No,
start.
that is for all these subdomains. You have different certificate for normal domain and then different for so yeah, I can just show you mine and you will understand because I just set it up today morning for something else. So if you see, you have a wildcard one for everything else,
Yeah,
and then something just for your main domain, which also matches
yeah.
this. But then, yeah, you need to have two different certificate. At least that what my script was doing. So to answer ethic, as for the solution, again, this is not a proper solution, but it is there in the dig of text record. Oh, there was a name underscore word list. Oh, okay. Then okay. I never looked at that. Thank you. Ah, shit.
Oh,
Okay. So there was
oh
a.
man, this was
Oh, okay. And it was the third. It was the third. It was the third one. Okay. That makes a lot of sense now because it is.
yeah.
These are all subdomains. I know these are all subdomain or like things that you can input in dig.
Uh,
Okay. I did not look at that. Should have started
Even
with
I
that.
didn't. Even
Should
I
have led with
didn't.
that. Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
All, so in all my challenges, I have written at the top, download the attached thing. Okay. So to summarize, what you would do is you have this file, and since it says that you have to check DNS, since it mentions DNS, you go through all this. So like subdomaining all this. So like flag, you take that and you open up dig. Let me just do this. Write the right spelling of clear, and then you do dig, and the whole subdomain of that, and yeah, then you do this and any. So when you type any, it should find any and all. Okay, not any, then all maybe. I don't know. Something works here. Plus any.
txt.
Okay, how do you use this? I want to find everything about that. Okay, if it does not work in this, you can just copy it from here, and I just figure out the command for DNS records online. What was the website that I just went on? The Google one?
Transparency report.
No,
Oh,
no, no.
admin toolbox.
The
Admin toolbox.
admin toolbox. Google. What Ankit? Yeah, Google admin. Is it this one?
No.
Check. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
here.
that
It's
one.
here. Oh, it also has a HER lookup. Oh, I can make a challenge using that. That's nice. Yeah. So again, back to track. I think yeah, you just enumerate over all this, and you find DNS records for that. And in one of the DNS record, you notice that the text record has the flag right there. So yeah, and it's not really a big brute force because you find the answer literally in the third line. In the third line. So yeah,
Yeah, should have put it somewhere in the end.
yeah. I would have done that. I would have done that. I would have
I know you would
done
have done
something
that,
like
which is
last
why.
third or something,
Yeah, that's
or
why I
in the
suggested
middle.
it.
Yeah,
I
so
was
you
like,
just go and check all the records.
I totally missed that file. I was shocked that there was a file.
Exactly right. Exactly. Okay, we have like very limited time now because I know there is another live stream at 8:30 Indian time. So even if we have to extend it, we cannot extend it a lot, and I don't want to extend it. I am done. Maybe crypto. I can solve maybe crypto in like a minute and also explain it properly. So you have this, right?
This is
You
actually a
open
good
it.
one. Yeah, this is a good
It's
one.
an easy one. It's an easy one, but yeah.
Not very easy, but it's
Yeah,
good.
not very easy, not very easy. First of all, you have to figure out that you have to do netcat. So you go there and it says illegal characters found in your secret. Okay, what's the secret? Is it crypto? Is it pawnable? Let's trade secrets. You give me one, I'll give you one. So apparently you have to pass it something. Maybe we have to pass it something here, right? Nope. So what else? Maybe set a cookie named. Why is there a Grafana session cookie here? Remote. Yeah, I'll just set a cookie name secret and have cookie value set to something. Why cannot I save it? I want to save it. You cannot save the cookie. Yeah, this does not allow you to save the cookie.
You can't do it in Firefox. At the revolver scan, I guess.
Oh yeah, you can do it there, and you can also use this thingy. I have two cookie, whatever. But yeah, at some point you just realize that nothing works. So you go here and you try to curl it because curl works apparently, and you are not allowed. So it says that curling is not allowed, which is
Interesting.
amazing, very interesting because I actually did not knew that curling is not allowed till now. So it says that HTTP curls are not allowed or HTTP request itself is not allowed. So next thing you can try it is telnet maybe. What does telnet even do? I don't even remember what does telnet do.
It's just another protocol. That's it.
Yeah, name or service not known. So yeah, it does not even have telnet running. Oh, it does. Escape character is that.
No, actually, it's not running. It's just, I mean, it seems like it's running, but actually, the server isn't actually sending anything back.
It
Yeah.
is. See, it's working.
What?
I so actually I had no idea it would work with telnet, but see, if you
Same,
send
exactly. When I
if
didn't.
you send this, it is sending you something, right? And then this connection fails. I am
Interesting. It
assuming
is
it
working.
is, yeah, it is still here. It is still here. So, and you can do the same thing using telnet, which was the original intended way of doing this, but I had no idea that telnet would work.
Yeah, same. When
Because
I used
I
to.
think it's a socket connection, right? And since it is a socket connection, it is working. Like both the things are working
Yeah,
because
yeah,
telnet
yeah.
also works on socket.
Sockets. Yeah.
But yeah, the main thing you have to notice here was if you send something like characters, you don't see anything. Sorry, that was me. You don't see anything. Like you think that you are not receiving anything at all,
Which is very
right?
annoying when I first
Which is
tried
very
it.
annoying. Which is very annoying, and that is why I always recommend to try it in Python. I don't actually know how to write Python code for sockets, so let's Google Python 3 connect to sockets tutorials point. Yay!
Yes.
So yeah, we are just gonna copy line by line because I am doing it on the weird terminal thingy. And then what is it? How do you do it? Is it just this server socket creating an object and then just setting it?
Uh, I mean, you want to make a client socket, right?
Yeah,
Or
this is okay. Yeah, sorry. Thank you for pointing that out. But yeah, I am on the right step till now,
you
so
know the
that's
reason
fine.
that I know this is because of the challenge of the last time, which was so painful because you guys
Why?
gave us a server code and I assumed it was the client code, and I got stuck for like
Oh,
2 days.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, now let's connect. Ah, host and port. S is not defined, of course. I wrote the whole thing. Server socket. And then what do you do? Okay, you can pass like
Yeah.
message is
Receive.
equal to server. I should have not typed server socket. That is, I
Yeah,
copied
you
that part.
can.
Okay, it is receiving something. Assume. What's happening? Nothing's happening. Control C. Did it receive anything at all? Nope, it's not defined. Okay, so the thing is, we sent it something after connecting, right? So I'm assuming we have to send it something. And I'm just gonna assume that we can send it using. How do you convert it into byte like object? Ankit, you're on mute. I don't know from when, but you're on mute.
Oh, yeah, I didn't realize. Just put a B.
Just put a B. Okay. Okay. We have a message that sends something. Then let's receive it. Oh, that worked. Oh, why? Okay. Is this the same thing we received if we sent it using this? What did we send? 4, 5? Why? Perfect. Okay, so that's working. Now let's actually try sending. Will I have to close it? Because, yeah, I will have to close it once, right? I don't know. How do you
Close
close it?
what ones?
The connection.
I think it's already been closed by the server. So
Even then,
because
I
it
think the
because
client has to close it too. At least I think that. Yeah, anyways, I did
right,
that.
that's
So
possible.
connect it. I cannot connect it. Barred file descriptor. I'm just gonna try and send it. Nope. Send it. Nope. Just create another object. Where is it? Where is it? Ah,
This is an interesting conundrum.
I should have just solved it by now because I know the solution. Yeah. So then connect it. Then this time we will send something, some characters, and then receive them, and then try to print them. And boom, we have it. We are receiving things what we had sent it. How do you know it's a socket again? We know it's a socket because it is working with telnet as well as with netcat, but it is not working with http. So the http protocol is not working. So the next protocol to next way to connect to try it is basically socket. So yeah, we just tried it and it was socket. So yeah, we are receiving some things. We can try to decode this, but I would actually go back to netcat and just play with numbers because that is working and I can see that. So let's just try and send it like bunch of ones. Do we get repeat? The pattern repeats or not? Okay. What if I send some less ones? Okay. So one thing to notice is the output is always same. And even if we send a big string, it is only sending us back this small string. And if we send the small string, then it only sends us to that much length. So I think this is whatever it is this. And someone had told me that zeros does not work. So zero is apparently a illegal character. So now if you had to decode this, and also I see the caret is repeated twice, C is repeated twice. So that's something. And the challenge does not say that it is in a special format. So I am guessing, and I'm not guessing actually, but I am hoping that first three characters should be MLH. So if we can figure out the first three characters somehow, that should work. So I'm gonna try sending MLH in Python this time because I want to see what it is. So yeah, let's try and send MLH. Did that work? Oh, okay. It receives nothing, which is I think because the we have to connect it again. Is already connected. Then we have to stop it. Close. Then we have to create a new object. This is not something meant to do on command line. Definitely not.
Yeah.
Then we connect. Then we send MLH. Then we receive it and then print it. Okay, so yeah, we received. These are what end character, null characters, or zero or something.
Null bytes.
Null bytes, right?
Yeah.
So we sent MLH, and we were assuming that it was MLH on the other end. So we received null bytes. So we can basically brute force the entire character one character at a time.
Except we don't need to.
Except you don't need to, because if you think about it, when will it send MLH? MLH. It. What's the most appropriate way to put this, Ankit?
Uh, I mean, it cancels each other out.
Yeah, it
So
cancels each other out. Exactly.
so why does it cancel each other out? That's what you have to think.
Yes. So, yeah, I'm just gonna put all ones as the key here, same as what we actually tried here. If I can scroll, then I'm gonna copy this. So the XOR property is the property of XOR is if you A XOR B XOR B gives you A, right? And that was this.
And that's how I solved it. I just entered random number of ones. Actually, I entered Z
Oh,
first, and it was
okay.
being all weird. Then I just did all ones, and I was like, yeah, it's Zor. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So you just have to try that out. And it's not necessary that you try it out with once. Even if you try it out with something else, like I'm just going to use numbers because I can copy that from the terminal. So if I just try it out with this, and I then copy this as the key, and this whole thing as the input, which is different input than before. Okay, this should have worked. You know what? This did not work. This should have worked. You know that, right?
I'm guessing some invisible.
Something, yeah, some
Yes.
invisible characters. But then, yeah, it is definitely these characters are not the same as one. I'm just gonna try it with all twos.
I mean, I think it should work in that case. But if it
Yeah,
doesn't, that would be weird.
that would be very weird. because even while testing it out, I just tested it out with once. Oh, okay. Why is this set to hex? Yeah, it was just set to
uh,
hex, and that was why it was working in one, because hex of one is also one.
one.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that works. So you just have this MLH learn underscore xor underscore properties, and that's the answer. So yeah, that was maybe crypto for you.
I liked it. I
Any
liked it.
yeah. The past challenge was, of course, endgame. Anyone who would like to solve endgame, you are supposed to solve endgame. You know, the funny part is, I have 14 responses and only 10 solves here. That's not the funny part. I think it's good part that people solved it multiple times. Thank you for that. It's not funny at all. Thank you very much for that. Okay, which should we solve next? One last challenge. I think I told I will solve Crack Me 3.
I mean,
I
you can
wanted to
solve
solve
Broken Tree.
1024, but Broken Tree is easy.
I was the only one to make an OSN challenge. Wow. Didn't know
You were
that.
the only ones to put the OSN challenge in OSN category.
Oh, why? Why do you like miscategorizing?
I did not miscategorize any challenge this time. Okay, so
Maybe
we
there
have
were
A Gabe's times up
times
102
up.
for captcha and Crack Me 3. I can solve one of those challenge. I have no idea what Hey Gabe's times up is, so I'm not, and it is a reversing challenge, so I'm not gonna waste time on that. But yeah, if you want, I will solve it later on and maybe solve the send the solution. But yeah, let's do Crack Me 3 because I know the solution and I also love the challenge itself. So yeah, we can download this. We can open it up if I can find it. Where did the download go? Okay, it just disappeared, you know? It just disappeared. Yeah, here it is. Let's put it in this. Let's open it up with not transmission this time, please. It just opened it up with transmission. So I'm just gonna try and open it up with Arc. Okay, we have three PEM files, which makes me think this is something related to OpenSSL. Uh, okay, then let's get a terminal. Ankit, at this point, do you remember how to unzip every file, or do you always Google like me?
Unzip every file.
So, like any format of file, do you remember the whole command always, or do you just Google every time?
I have Windows. I just use 7-zip.
Okay, I meant I can also use the GUI version. I meant it in like not GUI version, whatever.
Yeah, I have not used the non-GUI version of Unzip ever.
We should just start calling it CLI at this point. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a folder for this challenge because it's hard to keep a track of all the files. So I'm gonna move them using GUI because this will take a lot of time. Yeah,
Yes, Ati.
all this and the fourth file I assume was what was the fourth file? Message.enc. Okay. Okay, so we have all the files here. Now let's cd into crack and cat everything. So yeah, I don't know which file is which, but we have this, then we have this. So there are three public keys, which makes me think that this is okay. What? Where do we have public key, private key? It's not SHA. RSA, right?
Yeah, RSS there. There is ED25519 also.
Okay. Okay. And then let's just cat this. Okay, this is this. So we have three different things. I don't know. This looks to me like base 64. I'm just gonna
Yeah, yeah,
try
it is
and do
B64.
that.
It's
It is
padded with the
base.
equal to's.
Yeah, exactly. It's padded. Oh, okay. Some weird stuff, but it is base 64, I assume. Can you just paste things for base 64 here? Like, can I just do this? Yes, we know. We will finish this up in like 5 minutes for sure. Ah, okay. We cannot pass that. How do you pass something to? Nope. I'm just gonna make a new file. And dot one. My naming scheme does not make sense. Okay, again, something which looks like encrypted text. And you are on mute, by the way, Ankit.
Oh yeah, I didn't. How do I keep doing that to myself?
Yeah, you just are trying to be secretive of some sorts. But okay, let's learn OpenSSL. OpenSSL. Nope. OpenSSL help. Nope. Just help. Okay.
That's
Yeah.
strange.
I'm just gonna. Okay. Is there something here related to RSA? Oh, there is.
The
RSA
point is, it
decrypt,
looks it
encrypt.
looks too short to be RSA, right? So
But then RSA key can be of any length, right?
right, yeah.
So RSA verify a message against a signature and a public PM encoded. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna delete the whole thing first and then RSA verify. Public key. It wants the public key, which I can get using this. So I have not actually tested this whole challenge out using this specific tool. I'm doing it for the first time. Signature at 26 does not match expected length based on key. What signature? I have not. Acha, okay, I have to give the input. Cat n dot one. Now I'm going to set clip. Did it not? Did it paste anything? It did not paste anything. But do I have
No,
to
it
paste
didn't.
here? I have to paste here.
Okay, that's an interesting message.
Yeah, and then there is message digest algorithm of some sort. I don't know what that is. But whatever, this does not. Okay, it's like a whole red block. This does not seem to be working. Sign a plain text message with PEM encoded RSA key. Verify. Decrypt RSA encrypted message with PEM encoded. Private key. Nope. Message with PEM encoded. Public key. We have a public key.
Yeah, we have a
Uh,
public key and we have a
and we
certain
have some
message.
kind of message. So for to decode it, we want a private key. That's like I think what we are trying to get.
Maybe one of them is a private key which has been
Let's
labeled as a.
actually see what RSA PEM file is.
What I'm saying is maybe one of the keys is not a public key. Is that a
Okay.
possibility?
Oh, they have just changed public to private. That is what you mean. But then
Yeah.
I know private keys are bigger than this most of the times, and they are base 64 encoded. I don't know. Uh, yeah. Okay. Let's just jump to the solution now. Get decode public key, PEM public key
As always,
online,
interesting search results.
online certificate decoder or something. I don't know. Begin certificate. Nahi. I have PEM file. No, I have a public key. Yeah, it looks like this. There's no password. And then copying this, pasting it here, submit query. Yay, we get something. So we get the public exponent, the public key, the modulus, and the public. Okay, I already said public exponent. Yeah, and the public exponent is apparently in binary. So just to speed up the process, and since we don't have much time, I am just gonna show you the solution. I should have it here because we really don't have time. Crypto crack me 3. Yeah, source files. Where did I do that? Where did I do that?
Looks like somewhere related
So
to
yeah,
this.
this is the file that we have, public 1, 2, and 3, right? 3 files that we got. Now we are supposed to decode this and find everything else. So what I did was we found this, right? Where is it? I don't want to confuse everyone. I'm trying to. Yeah, public exponent and the modulus. So if you see, we have this big thing here, which is the public key, and we have the modulus. And if you see how to generate, how to generate. No, okay. Let's just generate a PEM RSA file online. RSA key pair. Yeah. There's RSA key generator. I don't. Ankit, you're on mute again. By the way, I don't know if you know that, but
Yeah,
yeah,
this
you are.
time I knew that, but it was still accidentally. So I was like, yeah,
Okay.
fine. Let's be on mute. Yeah.
So I'm just trying to find a good website which will allow us to generate RSA keys. But if I'm not able to, I'm just gonna explain it because we don't have time.
SSH keygen.
Using prime numbers.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, I actually used the website that I'm trying to search, but
I
I'm
think
not
this will be
able
a
to
good
find it.
time to check your Google history.
I don't think I can find it in like, oh, it's not. I don't want to show passwords. No, misclicks on misclicks. I am not good at working under pressure.
It's fine. There is no pressure. You have
Search
like
history. I have like
15
15
minutes,
minutes.
which is
That's
enough for
true.
this challenge,
That's
right? So,
It's more than enough. It's very bad idea to show my history. You know that, right?
why else would I ask?
Yeah, I know. I know. I know. From this month. Just show me from this month.
Nice to
Don't
see
show
that
me
you're buying a
everything.
Corsair CPU.
I
Good
am
to
buying
see.
a Corsair CPU. I have no idea. Yeah, it was before all of this, man. Domain search,
Oh,
PayPal. I
okay.
bought a domain. Okay, whatever. Amazon. Why is RSA appearing in all of this?
Because it's a very short
Okay, I am not. Oh, I did
string.
not search at that point. Okay, whatever. Uh, I think if you can help me, another session for remaining shells. I don't know. I don't know. Would you be up for coming on the session with me? If yes, then I am fine with it. Okay, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's just solve the entire challenge. We have this, which is ASCII. Is this ASCII? This is ASCII, right?
I mean, it's not ASCII, but it looks the character set is ASCII. Yes.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna put it here. Try to decode text. Why is it not coming? Yeah, it's loading. I want encoding as ASCII. Where is ASCII? Where do you find ASCII in this brig list?
I mean, I've already selected the operation as ASCII, right?
No, I selected it at decode text, and then there is format. Like there are so many different formats. There is ISCII, but I cannot find ASCII. Like
Oh yeah, that's the
ASCII.
Indian version of ISO for encoding. I mean,
Will it just work? I'm just gonna assume it will
no.
just work. No, it won't work. I'm just gonna find some other ASCII to text. Or is it? Oh, it was hex. It was not ASCII, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Oh,
it's not ASCII. That's what I'm saying. Like the character set is ASCII, but it's not ASCII.
oh, it's hex. It's hex.
So
Right, it's
I
hex.
already told you it's not ASCII.
But you did not
Uh,
tell me what it is, even if you told me it is.
I didn't know what you're looking for. I mean, I was answering a question. I'm being the
Yeah.
nice pod person that I was always.
So we're just getting a bunch of zeros at this
Random
point.
stuff.
Yeah. I'm just gonna not do it. Yeah. Nothing useful then. How did I solve this challenge? I made this challenge, and I am not able to solve it at this point. I know you're supposed to get this number. This number. Yeah, that is the private key. I understand, Hithik, but do you remember the OpenSSL command? I'm just gonna go up and try to find it. Decrypt,
I love it.
decrypt,
People in Twitch are just enjoying this breakdown. I love it.
conf. Uh, Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. So you do this, and then you pass it the PEM file, and it gives you this. So this is what I was supposed to do for all the three files. Ah. So yeah, you have
Uh,
modulus, you have the RSA public key length, and then you have the exponent. Since you have the modulus, you can just convert this modulus into from hex to number. So yeah, hex to decimal. That is what we want to do. Uh, do we have decimal here? We do have decimal here. So we are just gonna do that. We are gonna paste the whole thing, and it gives us this big decimal thingy. I hope I copied the whole thing properly. Yeah, I did. So I'm just gonna copy this and remove all these weird delimiter. Okay, can you just no? I don't want to set it to anything. Whatever.
yeah,
Yeah,
this is the best you've got.
I can just remove it, right? I can just remove it.
Yeah, I don't think that's happening.
It is not.
Yeah, the spaces are still there.
Okay, let's just copy it into VS Code then. Yeah, and then do this. Yeah. So you have this big number, which is a wrong number apparently. It should have been in the list. I am messing this up. You know what? Let's just not continue this at this point.
Okay, okay, wait. Yeah, remove all the colons. Yeah.
This is why you should not do live stream if you are not prepared. Yeah, then
The click on bake.
click on
Bake, right? I mean,
bake. No, it should be live. It should be live. Auto bake is on.
okay, but the output is supposed to change, right?
Is it like from hex content and not hex? Did that work? Nope. I'm just gonna find
Yeah,
some
yeah, just
other
copy it and do hex to.
yeah hex to decimal because I know this should work.
See, if you do the entire hex, the entire will get converted to decimal. But if you do it bit by bit, then each will
Yeah, no,
Okay. So maybe it's meant to be the other way. Like maybe this time try with the delimiter.
no. I know it is this way.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, maybe I just changed the file. I'm just gonna Google this. So yeah, factors.db. So once you have the modulus, what you do is you go to factors.db and try to punch in that number. Oh, I maybe this was the solution and don't have the right solution. So you get this thing. So you get this for all the three numbers. You get this for all the three numbers, and where did I put that? Yeah. So you get the prime numbers for all the three numbers, and then you make this three configurations. First configuration would be the modulus of everything. For modulus public exponent and private exponent. You can generate the private exponent once you have both the integers, the p and q, and you can also generate even e2 using that. That is how the algorithm works. The whole algorithm works. So yeah, you can just do that. And once you have this configuration, you can generate the der files, and using the der files you can generate the private keys. And once you have the private keys, you can use those private keys on each line that you first decrypted, and you can generate three decrypted message files, which is 1 2 and 3, message 1, message 2, and message 3. And that's your answer. Combined, that's your answer. And with that, we will end the stream for now. I know it was a bit hasty in the end. How is there no programmatic way of doing this? There is a programmatic way of doing this which uses OpenSSL, but you need to be really, really good at using OpenSSL, which I am not. But you
This is
need to,
insane.
and this is a
I would
programmatic way, right?
Yeah,
This
I
is a
would just not
programmatic
solve
way.
this challenge.
Yeah. This is an insane challenge. This is supposed to be an insane challenge because you
Uh,
cannot do it without using FactorDB. You cannot do it without using FactorDB because there is no other online repositories that has factorization of each and every number. Not
yeah,
each and every number, but for many numbers,
most,
for
yeah.
many prime numbers. So yeah, you just need to find that.
Good stuff, good stuff.
Yeah. Okay. And with that, we will end the, or we are towards the end of the session. If anyone has any last minute doubts, then please go ahead. But we are there for only 1 or 2 more minutes.
How is there no programmatic way to do this? There probably is, but do you really want to write that? Like, think
Yeah,
about it.
you can probably use OpenSSL's Python library to decode that, have search it on modulus, or like I don't know, brute force the whole modulus for some few years and find the both prime integers that combines and forms that integer. So how RSA works is you
Yes.
just have P and Q. You multiply that P and Q to find that modulus and then encrypt it. That's a nice question, Lisa. Just try it out on Wolfram Alpha. I think Wolfram Alpha would also have that big of a big of thing. Oh no,
Yeah,
RSA is a
RSA.
great algorithm, but the
Yeah,
length of my RSA was 127 bits, which means I used only 20 bits of prime integers, the prime numbers, and 20 is very less. And since
yeah.
20
You
is
need
less,
like,
it's there in FactorDB. Usually, while using RSA, it is 1024 bits, which means 512 bits of prime numbers, which FactorDB does not have. So you just don't use weak prime numbers. That's all. So yeah, that was the answer to that question. And I'm not sure if we will do a third live stream, but if you still have any doubts about the challenges that we have not solved, you can ask me on Discord or Ankit on Discord, and we will try to solve that. Ankit, I
yeah.
like that you have your username in brackets. I should also do that. I should also do that from next live
I
stream.
always do that. I mean,
Yeah,
it's the
I'm gonna
StreamYard
do
default
that.
for me.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, Asad, to answer your question about what is CTF, we don't really have time since we are ending the stream, but you can find what is CTF, a whole video on that on MLH's YouTube channel. And I think you are joining from YouTube, so you can just go in the history and you will find a video about 3 or 4 weeks back. So, yeah, so let's just end the stream right now. Please do join us after 4 minutes for another stream that is being hosted by Will. It's on how on something related to jobs. Let me actually check what the stream is about. Okay, where will I find that? Yeah, it is how MLH landed me a job at AWS with Robbie and Will. It is an amazing stream. I think we had a private version of it on our Discord channel a few weeks back. But yeah, I think I'm not gonna answer what is CTF. You have already said in a CTF, and you can check out the video if you still want to. But anyways, really thank you all for joining. It was really great having you all. Take care. Have a nice day, and stay safe. Everyone who is from India, stay safe. Stay inside and anywhere else too. But yeah, the conditions in India are really bad. Okay,
Yeah, stay
and
safe.
also thank Ankit. Really, thanks for joining and staying for the whole 2.5 hours. I know you had to go
Yes.
after 1 hour, but thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah,
Glad to join you. Thanks for inviting me, Karan, and thanks everyone who's here to watch.
yay. Okay, then over to Will. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye.